our soup group has changed into a salad group. So we were doing soups for 4 months, but as the weather is getting warmer, it makes sense to mix it up, change it up, and now we're gonna switch to salads. So for the next 4 months, we're gonna do salads instead of soups, and then the last 4 months we'll do appetizers. So I am getting ready to make my salad for salad group, soup/salad/appetizer group. This is going to be kind of a Mediterranean salad. It's gonna have some quinoa and cucumbers and all sorts of fresh things, but I'm gonna use my favorite dish. I'm gonna use my trifle dish because I love how salads look in trifle dish. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with our layers. I went ahead and washed and spun my lettuce to get the moisture off. So this is just your regular head of iceberg lettuce. Let's go ahead and do our quinoa. Made this yesterday in an Instant Pot. This is my favorite way to make quinoa. I do it in the Instant Pot with some chicken broth and a little drizzle of olive oil. Usually I do turmeric, but I did not do that with this. I didn't want to add any flavors that my group might not know or enjoy, so hold back on that. And this is gonna be my salad I'm gonna serve at the event. This is a good time to remind you that our group is made up of 4 members and we bring 1 salad to share that night, and then we give 3 salads to our other group members. Feta cheese. 3 containers at 5 ounces each were the perfect amount for all these salads. The next layer is chopped cucumber, which I did slice off some of the cucumber skin to give it a better visual. Next, I'm adding chickpeas. This is 2 cans that I have rinsed and drained. And onions. I'm adding a blend of chopped herbs. This is cilantro and mint. Some sliced almonds for crunch. My salads are complete and I think they look just so great. It's a simple salad. I mean, mostly you're just chopping, but the variation of colors, flavors, textures makes this salad so perfect. All right, now we're gonna make our dressing, and it is one of my favorites. It's a tahini dressing that uses some very simple ingredients. Juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, 6 tablespoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, tablespoon of minced garlic, and salt to taste, 6 tablespoons of your extra virgin olive oil. You end up with a bowl like this. Let's go ahead and pour it into our little jars. I'll leave the salad dressing recipe down below so you can have all the ingredients and their measurements, and I'll leave it for 1 serving so you can adjust accordingly. I love these little mason jars. They're the perfect size for the salad dressing, and each one of our members is going to get 1 little jar to go with their salad jar. I'll also leave a link to them in the description below. We are all set. It is time to go to our party. Welcome, Salad Sisters. Our hostess welcomed us with this sign and this wonderful punch. And one of our members made the most beautiful focaccia bread with these vegetable flowers. So impressive. Her bread making skills are amazing. These are all the salads that we're going to feast on this evening and get to take home, including this amazing fruit salad. It has a lime juice and honey vinaigrette. Oh my gosh, you guys, it was amazing. She is putting them in our jars for us to take home. And here are the other salads we got to enjoy. This is a kale salad with a sun-dried tomato aioli as a dressing. There is a cheese tortellini salad with tomatoes and olives. And here, of course, is our fruit salad being served up on a plate. And then it's my salad in a trifle dish, which the best serving utensil for that is tongs, where you can get all the way down to the bottom and get all the layers of that salad. Once again, each of our members ended up making a different salad without even communicating to each other. So we had no idea what each other was making, and yet we each made something completely different. We ended up really enjoying the whole concept of having all these salads. Everything came out so vibrant. Everything looks so pretty. And I think having just a freshness and changing from soup to salads in the months where everything is in season and so fresh, we felt so fulfilled and so happy and really enjoyed this change up of our group. We're compiling all these recipes to hopefully put out a cookbook eventually. Be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching.